Join us as we share our findings and insights resulting from 50 hours of hands-on testing of the broker. We will cover the most crucial aspects, including trust, trading platforms, fees, and more, to reveal what FxPro is all about and if it fits your needs. First, let me introduce our team. FX Empire has been reviewing Forex brokers for over 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex and CFD brokers. Our editorial staff consists exclusively of market analysts and professional traders, with decades of market experience each. We understand your needs and challenges, ensuring that our reviews offer trader-to-trader insights. Established in 2006, FxPro is a CFD broker offering trading in Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, futures, and cryptocurrencies. It serves clients in over 170 countries and is regulated by top-tier authorities like the FCA and SISEC. At FxPro, all client trades are executed with no dealing desk intervention. Most trades are filled in under 13 milliseconds. You might also recognize FxPro from the sponsorship of the McLaren Formula One team since 2018. So what are FxPro's main strengths and weaknesses? Which traders would benefit the most from its offering? Stick with us and watch till the very end to find out. And hey, if you're looking for something specific, just skip ahead using the chapters feature down below in the video. Let's begin with the trust category. When analyzing a broker's safety and trustworthiness, we examine several factors: regulatory compliance, trader protection measures, stability, and the broker's overall transparency. FxPro stands out as a highly trustworthy broker with over 17 years in the industry. It's regulated by top-tier authorities such as the UK's FCA and Cyprus's SISEC, ensuring strong oversight. Client funds are securely segregated in reputable banks like Barclays and Royal Bank of Scotland. However, fund safety for clients of the offshore entity could be improved. Despite the segregation of funds, there's no compensation fund or third-party insolvency insurance. Based on our findings, we gave FxPro a solid trust score of 4.5 out of 5. Now, let's have a look at their trading fees. We tested FxPro's spreads on various assets using the MT4 and FxPro Edge platforms via the standard account. For a greater perspective, we conducted the tests at different times of the day during both London and New York trading sessions. Overall, we found that FxPro's fees competitive, especially for Forex, commodities, shares, and indices. In terms of swap fees and inactivity fees, they were generally in line with the industry average. That's why FxPro earned an above average score of 4.6 out of 5 in the fees category. Next, we tested the trading platforms offered by FxPro. The exciting bit: FxPro offers a diverse platform range, the user-friendly proprietary FxPro Edge for beginners and casual traders, alongside the feature-rich MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and C-Trader, ideal for the advanced and algorithmic traders. All across web, desktop, and mobile, this diverse lineup offers something for every trading style. Now, let's dive right in and take a quick tour of the FxPro Edge and the MT4 platforms right now. Here, let's take a personal look at how usable the platform is, starting with the FxPro's MT4 desktop platform. The interface is made up of 4 major panels. Over here, we can see we have the Market Watch panel. Underneath it is the Navigator panel. To the right, we've got charts, and below that, we've got the Terminal panel. The Market Watch panel is equivalent to watch lists in other platforms. Here, you can see quotes for a selection of different assets. You can add and remove instruments and also change the order they're listed in by dragging like this. And underneath the watch panel, you've got the Navigator panel, which shows your different accounts, whether live or demo. And it also has the Expert Advisors, which are a feature of MetaTrader that enable automated trading. Okay, so charting on the MT4 platform features 30 technical indicators, 9 different timeframes, and 23 analytical objects. Trading from the chart and one-click trading are also available. You can enable trading from the chart by clicking on this little arrow here. To enter an order, you can click New Order, and the order panel comes up. Market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, and trailing stop orders are all available. And finally, we're going to look at the terminal window at the bottom here, where you can see your open positions with the running P&L. You can see your market exposure. You can see the trades that you completed in the profit and loss, along with news. And in this panel, you can set up price alerts. Next, let's take a look at FxPro's bespoke Pro Edge platform, allowing you to trade directly from your browser. Here we can see three major components of the platform: watch lists, to the right charts, and at the bottom position tracking. Taking a closer look at watch lists, we can click on this plus symbol, select watch list, and then pull up different watch lists, whether popular instruments, different asset classes, or custom watch lists you can make yourself. And we can see that one-click trading is available. You can just enter order as quick as that. Okay, next up, we're gonna look at charting in the Edge platform. Let's make this chart larger. Charts in the Edge platform feature trading from the chart, over 50 indicators, 6 chart types, and 15 timeframes. Charts are detachable and can also be viewed in a grid format. Take a look here, and we're going to pull up the grid format like that, so you can view multiple markets at once. Now, we'll take a look at the order entry panel by going over to this plus symbol and clicking on order entry. And here we can see that market, limit, and stop loss orders are all available. And finally, we'll take a look at this panel at the bottom, which shows your open positions and you're running a profit and loss for each position, and also your open orders. Up at the top here, you can see we've got key metrics like your balance, equity, current margin level, and total unrealized P&L. Now that's enough hands-on time with FxPro's Edge platform. Let's hop back to the hot seat to give you our final review. FxPro's diverse platform offering caters to both beginners and advanced traders. The intuitive, user-friendly FxPro Edge platform is great for beginners. However, note that it's only available in English. On the other hand, the comprehensive features of MT4, MT5, and C-Trader are ideal for sophisticated and algorithmic trading. Additionally, the FxPro Edge platform offers spread betting exclusively for FxPro Limited clients in the UK. Our score for FxPro's trading platforms is 4.4 out of 5. Lastly, let's discuss the broker's instruments offering. FxPro provides a diverse portfolio of CFD assets. 70 Forex pairs, 30 commodities, 29 indices, over 2,000 shares, and 28 cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, FxPro offers less common CFDs like futures on commodities and indices, an extensive selection of stock CFDs from the US, UK, and EU markets, and unique metals like lead and zinc. All of these factors led to an outstanding score of 5 out of 5 for Tradable Instruments. In conclusion, FxPro stands out for its trustworthy, transparent, and flexible trading environment. It's suitable for traders of all levels due to its regulatory compliance. A variety of platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, C-Trader, and FxPro Edge, not to mention the competitive fees. As a no-dealing desk broker, FxPro offers transparent pricing and fast trading execution. The broker's large selection of over 2,000 tradable instruments includes unique assets like lead, zinc, and CFDs on futures and cryptocurrency. The FxPro wallet further simplifies client transactions. That said, there's a bit of a gap in fund safety for clients of their offshore entity that could be improved. Overall, FxPro is a great fit for beginners thanks to its user-friendly Edge platform, reliable customer service, and extensive educational resources. Advanced traders benefit from a variety of platforms, tight spreads, and tools like Trading Central. Plus, professional money managers will find multi-account management in MetaTrader super useful. In our evaluation, we awarded the broker an overall score of 4.6 out of 5, marking its offering as above average. And that wraps up our review of FxPro. If you think this broker meets your trading needs, you can find a direct link to the website in the description below. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts and also comments with any questions about FxPro or suggest brokers for future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more trading insight. I'll see you on the next video.